In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset your Wistia password. If you're having trouble signing into your Wistia account, don't worry. Resetting your password is a simple process, and in this walkthrough, I'll guide you through it clearly so you can get back into your account as quickly as possible. Start by opening your web browser and going to wistia.com. Once the website loads, look for the Login option, which is typically located near the top of the page. Click on it to go to the Sign In screen. On the login page, take a moment to look below the password field or around the sign in area for the Forgot Password option. This is the link you'll use if you can't remember your current password or if your old one is no longer working. Click Forgot Password to begin the recovery process. Next, you'll be asked to enter the email address associated with your Wistia account. Make sure you type in the correct email address, since the reset instructions will be sent there. If you have more than one email address, double check that you're using the one connected to your account. After entering it, submit the request to receive your password reset link. Now go to your email inbox and look for a message from Wistia. It may take a minute or two to arrive, so if you don't see it right away, give it a little time. It's also a good idea to check your spam, junk, or promotions folder just in case the message was filtered there. When the email arrives, open it and click the password reset link inside. That link will take you to a page where you can create a new password. Choose a password that is secure but also something you'll be able to remember. A strong password usually includes a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you've entered your new password, confirm it if prompted, and complete the reset process. After that, your password should be updated, and you can return to the login page and sign in using your new credentials. If you continue having trouble, make sure you're opening the most recent reset email, since older links may no longer work. And that's it. That's how to reset your Wistia password quickly and safely.